Hello, good morning students. Welcome to our college YouTube channel. I am Assistant Professor Suryakant Adate from Sri Mudhai Devi Shikshan Samstha's Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College Deur. Today's presentation is for B.Sc. First Compulsory English students and presentation topic is Developing Vocabulary Part 3. Last two lectures we discussed two classes of words. First, grammatical words and second, content words, as well as acquiring mastery over English vocabulary, consult a dictionary and importance of dictionary. A dictionary provides a wealth of information about words and it is a precious tool in developing our vocabulary. In modern era, learners can easily use applications like the online dictionary, TOI app, reading app and other e-resources to enhance their vocabulary. As well as last lectures, we also see various examples of prefixes and suffixes. Today, in this lecture, we are discussing about synonyms. Synonyms. Synonyms are words with similar meanings. Learning them is a quick and efficient way of learning unknown words. They help us to express different shades of meaning and thus develop fluency and precision in the use of language. Synonyms share their meanings with other words in varying degrees. Whereas the core meaning of synonyms remains the same, they differ with respect to the senses or shades of meanings. No perfect synonyms exist. For example, the words see and watch share their core meaning but they differ in usage, as in, for example, I saw a twinkle in the eyes of the poor old man. And second example is, I watched a TV serial yesterday. The words saw and watched are not interchangeable in the context in which they are used. Therefore, it is necessary to choose correct and appropriate words. When we learn synonyms, it is important to learn them with respect to the following broad contexts in order to avoid vocabulary errors. There are four types of synonyms. First, context specific synonyms. Words are chosen depending on the situation, such as formal, informal, colloquial, regional, technical, and literary. Second type is syntactic context. It is necessary to understand which a word of a word family to use in a sentence. Third type of synonyms, collocations. These are words which habitually co-occur with certain other words. And last synonym is semantic errors. These errors take place when we use a general word instead of a specific one or vice versa. In the next slide, we will give information about antonyms. Antonyms. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. They are often thought of as the opposite of synonyms, but the two have different status. There are three types of oppositeness. First, complementary or antonyms. These are pairs of words like single and married, dead or alive, and male and female. In such antonyms, the denial of word implies the assertion of the other. The sentence Smita is not single implies Smita is married. Smita is married implies Smita is not single. Second, converse antonyms. With these words, the relationship is reciprocal, as in sell and buy, or above or below, give, receive, come and go. For example, Jack sold his house to John implies that John brought Jack's house from him. And third, gradable antonyms. These are pairs of words like big, small, young, old, tall, short, narrow, wide. The characteristic features of these words is that they are gradable. They could be used explicitly or implicitly comparatively. For example, John's house is big implies that John's house is bigger than the houses that are normally found. With this, we conclude here. Thank you very much.